Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Bennington 22 LSR. This boat has the rippled anthracite paint finish with the silver rails. This does have our SPS Performance Tri-Tune package on it. It is powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine with the new integrated steering. Come around to the back of the boat and let me show you a few more features. This LSR has the extended aft deck to give you lots of room on the back of the boat. Has the ski tow bar for pulling the kids on the tubes or the wakeboards. Our extended aft decks now come standard with the spring assisted lily pad 5-step ladder. Makes it really easy to get in and out of the boat from the water, and also makes it easy to retrieve your ladder. Come on inside, let me show you some more. So the LSR has one of our most popular layouts. It has the captain and co-captain seat with the 4 quad benches in all 4 points of the boat. This one has the removable cup holders, the 80% cutout, which is a great spot to put your cell phone, sunglasses, or sunscreen. Your kicker speakers are also located down inside these pockets, along with portable charging ports. Here at the captain's helm, we have a tilt steering wheel, a fully adjustable seat with flip-down armrests. This boat has the Simrad digital dash, with all your gauges could be integrated into it with chart plotter and GPS. And we did the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo with Bluetooth. And this boat will also have the RBG colored lighting package to give you speaker and floor lighting. And of course, with all Benningtons, you get a 10-foot long bimini top and a full playpen cover comes standard with it. Please come and see us at MarineMax in Greenville. We have this model and lots more to choose from.